Welcome back everyone, Taran Agarwal here, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can use Canva to supercharge your marketing and take your business visuals to the next level. By the end of this video you'll know how to create sharp, professional marketing presentations and powerful ads in Canva, even if you've never used it before. Let's jump straight in. First, go ahead and open up Canva on your computer or phone. Once you're logged in, look for the big Create button, usually right at the top or on the home page. This button is like your gateway to creativity, letting you start fresh projects in just a couple of clicks. Click on it and you'll see a menu of different options pop up. From here, choose the option to create a business or marketing presentation. Presentations are a fantastic tool for explaining your business idea, pitching new products, or even training your team. They help keep all your information organized, and in Canva, you get access to tons of designs to make your content look impressive and engaging. Once you've chosen to create a marketing presentation, you'll be taken straight to a page where you can pick a template. Now, don't rush this part. Templates are really the foundation of your entire look and feel. You'll see options for modern, minimal, bold, elegant. Take a moment to scroll through and select one that matches your brand's style. For example, if you run a digital marketing agency, go for something clean and modern. If you're in fashion, maybe a splash of vibrant color fits better. Now the fun part, customizing. On your selected template, you can change text, photos, colors, and more. Rename the sections to fit your story. For example, turn welcome slide into about our business or add a key results slide. If you have brand colors or a logo, upload those and swap out the placeholders. Really make this presentation yours. When you're tweaking each slide, remember, your goal isn't just to make things look pretty. It's to make information clear, convincing, and memorable. If you're sharing statistics, use Canva's charts to make your data pop. If you want to inspire confidence, choose high-quality images, something more genuine than standard stock photos. Don't worry if you're new to this, experiment with fonts, layouts, and images. Even small changes can have a big impact on how your audience perceives your business. Once your presentation is polished and ready to impress, it's time to take your marketing to the next level. Head back to the homepage by clicking Home, then tap that Create button again. This time, select the option for Marketing Video. Video content is king right now. It grabs attention, communicates fast, and is way more likely to be remembered than a static post. Marketing videos are perfect for social media ads, product launches, or even a quick explainer for your website. You'll again get to choose from a whole range of video templates. Look for ones tailored to ads, sales promotions, or brand stories. Each template is designed with marketing best practices in mind, things like bold text, quick transitions, or areas for your call to action. Pick the template that matches your goals and start customizing. Swap out the text for your headline and offer, add your own product footage or photos, drag and drop new colors, and Canva makes this surprisingly easy. Don't be afraid to play with animation and music. A little movement and sound can keep viewers glued to your message. And that's it. With these steps, you now know how to create eye-catching presentations for meetings and impactful marketing videos for ads, all with Canva. Whether you're a small business owner, digital marketer, or someone just starting out, this toolkit can really level up your brand and help you stand out online. If you found this tutorial useful, hit that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'd love to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more marketing tutorials in Hindi. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.